Morning everyone, again I welcome you all to the Sri Guru classes. So today I will take next concept called purchase return and sales return. So previously we studied what do you mean by purchase and sales. So purchase means what? Already I told, purchase is the what? Take over or acquire the goods along with its ownership for personal use and business use called purchase. Sales is a what? Sales is an activity of offering the goods to the customer and the clients for what purpose? For earning the money or profit. Yes, so now we will see what do you mean by purchase return and sales return. Okay, see here I am making very easy to understand and write the definitions. That's why I am making some list out of the key points. Okay, so now I will take purchase return. So purchase already I know. Now I will focus on return. Return means what? Normally we know return means what? Giving back. So what you will give back? You will give back the goods. So which goods you will giving back? So which already you purchased. Yes. See again I am repeating. Return is about giving back. What you will give back? You will give back the goods. Which goods you will give back? Which already you purchased. From whom? From seller. And now you are returning that goods to the seller. That is about purchase return. Clear guys? Purchase return is about giving back the goods which already you purchased, and that goods you are giving back to whom? To seller. Clear? Now here who is returning? Here return by buyer. And this purchase return, what you will consider? The consideration is what? Income. Take example, if I purchased 2 markers, yes, so out of these 2 marker, 1 marker is good, then I will keep with me only, and 1 more marker is there, so this marker is not working properly, then what I will do? Normally this goods marker I will give back to whom? I will give back to the seller. So this is about purchase return. For this marker, if I paid 10 rupees, if I return, then I will get a 10 rupees that amount. That's why I will consider it is income. It is not in a profit and loss also, but for accounting consideration I am taking this as an income. And in next videos I will tell how the purchase return we will consider as an income. Clear? So I hope this purchase return is clear. Now I will take the one more concept is called sales return. What is that sales return? See, whenever I am studying, whenever I am taught about sales purchase return, that return I consider as a giving back. But when I am studying or when I am teaching about this sales return, that time return I will use as coming back. So what coming back? Here goods are coming back. So which goods now coming back? The goods which are already sold to the buyer. Understand? This is about sales return. Simply sales return is about return or coming back the goods which are already I sold to the buyer. Clear? That one sales return we will call. So here who is the receiver here? Here the return goods are issued by the seller. What about consideration? The consideration is loss. Yes, no? As a seller, if I sold 2 markers and out of that one sold and 1 marker is coming back towards to me, it means what? It is loss only. Understand? Again I am telling, here consideration is there. One side consideration is income and another consideration is loss. Why this one I will consider as a loss? So I will tell in the upcoming videos whenever we are solving the journals. Clear guys? Again I am repeating. So now we are studying 2 concepts. One is purchase return, sales return. Purchase return is about coming back the goods from the buyer. Okay. And this is sales return is about coming back the goods from the buyer. Clear? Understand this one? Okay. So why these goods are returned to the buyer, returned by buyer and returned to the seller? There will be some reasons. Which are the reasons? So due to low quantity or low quality, damaged one, not properly packed one. So those type of, with those reasons we will return the goods. Here the goods are returned by the buyer and to the seller. Clear this one? So if the goods are returned by the buyer, that is purchase return. If the goods are received by the seller, that is considered as sales return. Consideration is purchase return is income, sales return consideration is loss. Clear? Now we will discuss about one more important concept of accounting, that is called cost. So till today what we know about the cost? Cost is what? It is the overall amount we are spent on manufacturing a particular goods. Okay, till today this only we know, but now I will tell the next version, not next version. It is again a basic of this only. So what is the meaning of cost? See, whenever you are doing a cost, it means what? You are spending the money. Yes, spending the money for what? Spending money for get something. Yes, take example. If normally I am going, if I am going to the market, so if I spend the money on purchasing any things, so what purpose? For getting the some benefit from that particular goods. That is what we are calling as cost. Again I am telling, cost is what? The whenever we are doing a cost, it means what? We are spending the money for what purpose? For get something. This something is nothing but benefit, and this benefit it will derived from what? Goods and services. Clear? This is a what? Cost. Understand? Come to the next one. So cost that one we are categorized into two. What is that? The cost is one side expenses I will take, and another side I will take as a expenditure. So in other things are there, means cost classifications are there, that in depth is there, that one we will see later. But as of now, the cost I will divide into two categories. One is expenses, another one is expenditure. Guys, already I told cost is what? Cost is spending a money. That's why if you are doing expenses or expenditure, you need to spend the money. That's very important. So that's why in a both, if you are defining the expenses and expenditure, one common word it should come in that definition called spending the money. And if we are spending the money means what? For getting the something. Something is nothing but benefit. Yes. See, what do you mean by expenses? Now I will tell. Spending the lower money and get the benefit for short term purpose. That's why I mentioned here lower amount and lower benefit. Again I am telling, expense is spending a lower amount for getting a lower or short term benefit is called expenses. Then expenditure what? Yes, I will tell. Expenditure is also spending a money. I will take now definition. Spending a higher amount for getting long term benefit called expenditure. So I will give just one example. See, this mobile is there. The mobile value is how much? 10,000. And if I purchase the mobile monthly, I need to do the recharge. Yes, recharge amount is how much? Take example 300 or 400. Yes, and mobile price is 10,000. So if I spending monthly 300 rupees, yes, that is a lower amount, and lower amount if I spend, and what is the benefit I am getting? I am getting the benefit for only 1 month. If I want and again benefit, then I need to recharge one more time. Clear guys? Expense is what? Mobile recharge plan is an expenses. Then mobile is what? I spend 10,000 on this mobile, that is called expenditure, because 10,000 is a higher amount and it will give a long term benefit. Minimum 2 to 3 years I will use this mobile, so this is considered as expenditure. 10,000 is a higher amount and 2 to 3 years I am using this mobile is long term benefit. Expense is what? 300 as a recharge plan I am spending monthly. Why? Because this benefit is realized for only 1 month. Guys, clear? Again I am telling, once again we will go the revision of this one. Cost is nothing but spending the money for getting something. That something is nothing but benefit, and that benefit is derived from goods and services. Then cost we are categorized into two. One is expenses and expenditure. Spending a lower money and getting the benefit for short term is called expenses. Expenditure is what? Spending a higher amount and getting the long term benefit is considered as expenditure. Take example of your bike also. Bike amount is how much? Minimum 1 lakh. Though that 1 lakh is considered as expenditure, because compared to the petrol price for liter, 1 liter price petrol of is how much? I think 103. One side is 1 lakh is there, another side is 103 is. 103 that petrol charges is considered as expenses, and 1 lakh is considered as expenditure. Spending 1 lakh and getting minimum 5 years benefit is considered as expenditure. Spending 103 rupees for purchasing the 1 liter petrol, and it is only for what? Short term benefit, means if you went for 60 to 70 kilometers, that benefit you will get over. Clear? So in this video, totally how many concepts we have studied? Purchase return, sales return, then cost and cost tax. Clear guys? I hope students who are watching my YouTube channel, whatever this type of explanation and teachings, I hope it is comfortable to you, and it is very easy to understand the concept. So please like it, subscribe, and share these videos with your friends and any other students. Okay, thank you.